Yeah, that's right. I'm about a block away from the White House, and we will talk about that in a moment. But as the president was leaving the White House on his way to Camp David, one of the secure locations presidents often will be at when they are monitoring high
सर नब्बे का
profile
रखा ना
events.